Hey there, good people. My name is Scott, and you are watching Sword and Shield Studio. Right now, we are going to look at a brand new way to access the scene cut detection feature in DaVinci Resolve 17. Now, scene cut detection itself is not a new feature in Resolve. However, the ability to use it on the edit page directly on a clip on your timeline is. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, I am on the edit page now in Resolve where I have a single edited video clip on my timeline that I want to split up into individual clips. To do this, select the clip on the timeline by left-clicking it, go to the top of Resolve where it says Timeline, hit that, and hit Detect Scene Cuts from the drop-down menu. Now Resolve will start doing its thing, running through your edited video, detecting where it thinks there are cuts, and split this video into separate clips right on your timeline. So at first glance, it looks like it has done a pretty good job, but a majority of the time the AI is not perfect, so you should always check for errors. You can quickly review cuts by navigating between them with the up and down arrows on your keyboard. So I will bring my playhead to the very beginning of the timeline and click out to deselect that first clip because sometimes that causes problems. And I'll hit the down arrow to go to the first clip, and then a handy shortcut is using / on your keyboard to loop around your playhead at the edit point here. So I'll hit / to review this, and great. Looks like it detected the cut there. I'll hit the down arrow again to go to the next one, / Looks like that was good. And I'll go to the next one here and review this. And okay, I've got a motion transition here, and I don't really want to cut to be there because this is going to be hard to stitch back together after the fact, so I'll zoom in here and see what is done, and it's actually detected a couple cuts here that I want to remove. So in order to select the cut underneath, you can either simply left click it and hit delete to remove it on your keyboard, or while hovering over the clip you can hit V on your keyboard to select the nearest edit point, which will be this edit point here, and hit delete. And I will go to this last one here, hit V again, and hit delete again. Now, if you want to add a cut that maybe scene cut detection missed, the shortcut to split a clip is Control / and we've created a cut right where our playhead is. If you ever received a full edited video that needed to be split into separate clips, you already know how awesome having a feature like scene cut detection can be. Having this feature available directly on the edit page means that you can use the familiar workflow of that page, in addition to the editing shortcuts we learned today, to quickly correct any mistakes the AI could have made when detecting your cuts. But that's it from me. As always, thank you for watching this video. I hope the information contained within it was helpful for you, and I will see you next time.